Hello friends, good afternoon. So today my section is related to login control in Power Apps. So in this video I'll show you how to develop a login control in Power Apps. So it's very simple. So here what I did here I am using the SharePoint list as a my like to storing all these credentials and in power ups when I trying to log in this. So I am comparing, I am in the connection I am connecting my power ups with the SharePoint list, so that when I trying to log in, so that's why that time I am comparing my credential, is it exist or not in SharePoint list. So if it is exist, then I can I'll allow to user to redirect to the home page, otherwise it will show you a error message. So I'll show you the implementation how you will do this. So first of all, in your SharePoint you have to create one list. The list you can have two columns like user ID and password. So here is my test user ID and password which I have stored here. Next, go to the power apps. This is my static page. So start page, then you can also have login page. Just go to the login page. Here is my login page. If you see here is my login page. I have designed it, so you can also design as per your requirement. So next, what I did here, once I created, next I go to the data source. In the data source I connected my, if you see here user login, I have connected my uh, power ups with SharePoint list through connector. Once connector is get ready, then just go to here. Here if you see my start page, this is my startup page. In the start page, when you uh, run this apps, it will first show you this page. Here after some time it will redirect to the login page. What I did here, I added one in start page. I added a timer control. This is now visible false. In the timer control, I have given the duration is 2000, but when 2000 time is completed, when the time is end, that time I'll show you what you need to do. On time end, once the time is end, you can navigate to login page. So I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you how you do it in login page. So next, go to the login page. I'll show you the login control. This is my whole apps. I will show you later what I did here, but if you see it here, this is my login app. This is my ID field. This is my password field. This is my login field. Password you can give the like password field. The mode is password. User ID you can give the text field. Here if you click on new user, you can redirect to the new user field. Here is my login control. What you need to do in login control, if the formula on the on select of the button, you just have to write if count rows filter. You have to filter where user login. User login is your SharePoint list, and text username, text equal title, and text password dot text equal password is equal to 1. If the count is coming 1, means when it will come 1, if user ID and password both will same in your list, then it will show get the count 1. Then navigate to the dashboard. It will navigate to the dashboard page. Otherwise, not if it is coming 0, then it will not notify, give you an incorrect login details. Next, it will clear the ID and password. So I'll show you how I will do it, and just go to here, startup page. In the yeah, this is my start page. Just log in here. Now it show you like this. Now after some time it redirect to here. Next I am giving some dummy text ID and password. If I click on login, see, it will show you incorrect login details. Suppose I I am giving you correct ID and password. What is my correct ID and password? Arswai Rajkiran @123. So Arswai, if I am giving the right password now, if you see here, see now I came to my home page. So it means it is correct. Next I am going to log out. If suppose I am giving any other ID password, then again it's showing incorrect login password. So this is the implementation of login control in Power Apps. Thank you guys for today. I think you enjoyed this. You will enjoy with this video. You can implement with yourself in your project. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my videos. And if you have any doubt, then please don't forget to comment so that I am ready to update you what, or I am ready to answer you for every question. Thank you guys.